In reality, and we have to be honest to ourselves, most people would rather speak to a human than your chatbot. But as we well know, being able to provide that human resource, and namely that talented, professional, efficient human resource, is really, really expensive. And let's also be clear that chatbots and conversational AI is here to stay. You only have to look at all the big rollouts going into all of the big banks, the insurance company, the professional services, to realise that we're over that tipping point now. The naysayers who said that chatbots would not be a thing can eat their own words. They are coming, they are here, they're here to stay. You can talk all you want about Web3, but we're 10, 15, 20 years away from that really replacing what people are using now. So chatbots are going to be a thing. Humans are looking for more job satisfaction. They're not looking at sitting in a booth on a phone for 8 hours a day answering the same question over and over again, when a chatbot can sufficiently do that. So although we have to face the reality that people would rather speak to people, chatbots are here to stay. And if we accept that, it's our job as conversational project managers, conversational designers, whatever form that we take within the conversational AI realm, niche, that we try to make the customer experience with our chatbots the best it can be. We have to put ourselves in their shoes. We have to build chatbots with empathy, chatbots that are able to do as good, if not a better job than a human would do for those limited use cases. I'm not saying we can't have the FAQ bots, because some people, they're just looking for a quick answer to a quick question they have. They don't want to have to sit and wait for live chat to come available or give you a call. But those use cases, and the obvious one, where's my order? How do I get a refund? Simple, repetitive tasks that people have to deal with in customer services. They are the ones that we should be automating through the use of really effective chatbots and great conversational design. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on this. Chatbots are not the panacea. They're not going to solve every business's problems, but they can truly help customers if done right, if well thought out, well delivered, and the customer is at the heart of the development. Take care. Speak soon.